How to turn off group custom notifications on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off group custom notifications on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then select any group you want, like this one, and then click here on group profile and scroll down. Here you will find it, custom notifications. And if you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it one click and then go back. It will be saved. And as you see, that's how to turn off group custom notifications. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.